resources. And the third one, Indonesia increase in contribution of state revenue and investment. Next, Indonesia is undeniable a global powerhouse in the mineral and coal sector with both leading reserve and production capacity that position the national as a critical player in the global market. As in the slide, that we have a nickel stand out as a highlight, with Indonesia ranked first globally in both reserve and production. And in tier 2, we have ranked number first and production 2. For bauxite, coal and copper, Indonesia full top global ranking ensure that its significant role in this industry. Next, as Indonesia seeks to maximize the potential of its critical mineral, it faces 3 key challenges that must be addressed to unlocking sector its full value. First, access to technology, then investment, and the third one, regulation. We will simplify, permit, and harmonizing oversight essential to attract investor and accelerate the implementation of those programs. Next, one clear example of impact of downstream policy is seen in the nickel commodity. Indonesian nickel export pair in 2020 has transformed the industry, increasing export of nickel derivative from $3.3 billion in 2017 to 33.5 billion in 2023. Downstream at the huge value with products like battery cells generating 67.7 times more value than raw material. This project is an example of how value-added processing drives the economic growth and strengthen Indonesian role in the global energy transition. And I mentioned here that the support in mining and digging sector is set about more than 10.5% of total GDP in Indonesia. So that's a huge number, I think. Next, the journey from the raw mineral resources to high value product is a